Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mon. Today we drove almost 590 miles across two state lines to be here in Montana. We're boondocking. We got here, it's already dark. I can't really show you where we are camping for the night, but tomorrow morning, hopefully when it's light out, I'll get a chance to show you. Please enjoy this vlog for our road trip. We are here in Montana to take in the Glacier National Park for the entire day tomorrow, and we'll do another boondocking in the evening. And then the next morning we're gonna go to the next destination. It could be South Dakota to Mount Rushmore or to Wyoming for Yellowstone National Park. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, and thanks for watching. Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We just got up to this beautiful view. Yep. So when we got here last night, it was hard to film because it was completely dark. So we're right here over this valley. Right now it's foggy. But last night there were a bunch of stars. And this is not a slow motion. The gasoline is expensive here, but I need it. Well, it's almost 9:30. We are at Lake McDonald. Weeping Wall.
It's really steep. They don't see it out, it's only down just take a picture.
So right now it's 11:30. We just found a place to park and we are heading to St. Mary's Fall. The parking lot where the trailhead is, it's full, so we double back and found a place to park. There you go. So we are right here and we're going here. So after St. Mary's Fall, we are continuing to Virginia Fall. Sige na, na. We're actually on the way back from Virginia Falls, even though the path is the same, but the scenery is different from going toward the falls. Aww.
Look at this tree here.
It is so windy. It's about 2:30. This is St. Mary Lake.
Weeping Wall.
It's 4:45. This is Lake McDonald. Well, it's now a little after 5. Thank you, Glacier National Park. That was fun. Right now it's about 7 o'clock We found another boondocking site for the night. Hopefully, will be as comfortable as last night. We got here in plenty of time, so we still had daylight, and right in front of our car is a lake, a reservoir. Anyway, here we are.